In this video, you will learn to prepare a healing golden breakfast designed specifically to support recovery and daily comfort. This meal centers on powerful anti-inflammatory properties, featuring turmeric paired with a hint of black pepper to ensure maximum absorption and relief. It remains strictly stoma safe by wilted minced greens.
Perfect for low-energy mornings, this fast and gentle recipe takes less than 10 minutes to prepare. Every bite offers a soft, gut-soothing texture that provides a warm hug for your digestive tract while maintaining a steady, manageable output. To prepare this healing breakfast for one, start with 2 large eggs and a half cup of fresh baby spinach, ensuring all fibrous stems are removed for safety. You'll need a 1/4 teaspoon of ground turmeric paired with a tiny pinch of black pepper to unlock its anti-inflammatory benefits. For a soft, manageable texture, include a tablespoon of water or lactose-free milk and a teaspoon of butter or olive oil. Finish with a pinch of sea salt for flavor. If you desire a bit more substance, a well-toasted slice of white sourdough provides a gentle, low-residue crunch. Before you approach the heat, focus on careful preparation to ensure total digestive comfort. Begin by removing any tough, stringy stems from the baby's spinach leaves, as these can be difficult for a stoma to process. Take the time to finely mince the remaining leaves into tiny bits. This essential step prevents clumping and ensures a smooth transit. Once the greens are prepped, crack your eggs into a small bowl and whisk them thoroughly with your choice of liquid, turmeric, salt, and pepper. This creates a uniform, golden base that is both anti-inflammatory and perfectly simple to digest. With your ingredients prepped, focus on organizing your workspace to ensure a seamless, stress-free cooking process. Select a small non-stick skillet to prevent sticking and have a flexible silicone spatula ready. This is the secret to achieving those soft, pillowy folds without browning the eggs. Set your serving plate nearby so the meal can be enjoyed immediately. Keep the heat off for now while you take a final moment to ensure your spinach is chopped as finely as possible, guaranteeing it remains gentle and safe for your stoma once it hits the pan. Begin by turning your stove to a steady medium-low heat to ensure a gentle start. Once the skillet is warm, add your choice of butter or oil followed by the finely minced spinach. Sauté these greens for just 1 to 2 minutes until they are completely wilted and reach a very soft consistency. Taking this extra moment to ensure the spinach is fully broken down by the heat is a vital step for ostomy wellness, as it guarantees a smooth, easy transit through your system without any risk of irritation. Once your spinach is soft and aromatic, pour the vibrant egg and turmeric mixture directly over the greens. Allow the eggs to rest undisturbed for about 30 seconds, giving the edges just enough time to set against the warmth of the pan. Using a flexible spatula, begin to gently push the eggs from the outer edges toward the center in long, slow, fluid sweeps. This deliberate movement creates large, soft curds that stay tender and easy to digest, ensuring the anti-inflammatory turmeric is folded evenly into every bite of your golden, gut-friendly scramble. To achieve the perfect soft finish, continue gently folding the eggs for another 2 to 3 minutes over low heat. The secret to an ostomy-friendly scramble is to stop cooking while the eggs still look slightly wet or glistening. They will reach their ideal temperature from the residual heat once plated. Be careful to avoid any browning or crisping, as these tougher textures can be more difficult for your system to digest. This careful timing ensures a silky, tender consistency that is as soothing for your stoma as it is delicious. Gently slide the soft, golden scramble onto your plate, letting the vibrant yellow hue of the turmeric create a cheerful, high-contrast meal that is as appetizing as it is healing. If you choose to pair this with toast, stick to low-fiber white bread and remember to chew thoroughly to assist your digestion. This moderate portion is intentionally designed to be nutrient-dense and satisfying without overfilling the ostomy pouch. By serving this warm, you provide your body with a calm, balanced start that respects your digestive limits while fueling your day. This turmeric scrambled egg and spinach plate offers a powerful, healing start to your day by blending anti-inflammatory benefits with digestive safety. By including turmeric, you provide a natural boost to your immune system while soothing the gut. Mincing the spinach and removing tough stems eliminates the risk of blockages, allowing you to enjoy essential greens with total peace of mind. These liquid whisked eggs serve as an incredibly gentle, easily absorbed protein source that helps thicken output naturally. The result is a more predictable, consistent rhythm that supports your long-term wellness and daily comfort.